Greetings to everybody who's watching this video. My name is Nomfundo and I'm from South Africa, from Newcastle High School. So today I've been given the opportunity to present my project titled How to Grow Your Own Pharmacy. Basically, my project is about growing herbal plants which will be able to stimulate small illnesses such as headaches, flu and colds, and also sunburns, and also like energy remedies which can be used in enhancing your energy. So the aim of the project was to actually decrease the price for the people in South Africa and for my community in buying the suitable medication that they need to use in order to stimulate the small illnesses. Okay, so the third of the project was to create a self-watering plant, find the correct fertilizer, and start consuming the herbal plants in different forms. Basically, the plants that I used was aloe, fennel, and rosemary. And then what I did with the self-watering plant, I used a 2-liter bottle, cut it from the top, planted, and created a self-watering through evaporation plant. The slides will be shown, they'll be clearly shown. And then what I also used was correct fertilizer. I checked from the different fertilizers. I used wood. I first checked the suitable fertilizer. So in the process of checking, I used wood. I used there's a meal in South Africa called pap. It's made out of maize meal. It's grinded and made out of maize meal. I made it's not a meal, in fact. It's a starch like rice, but it's pap. It's a starch. I used bones and chicken skin. I used an eggshell. So throughout the best of these testings of the fertilizers, the one that worked best was the pap, because it clearly biodegraded in a short term of time, and then it was used in the fertilization of planting my herbal plants and enhancing the growth of the plants. So what else I did during the different forms of consuming the plant, I used rosemary. As I said, I used rosemary, fennel, and aloe. The aloe, I used it for sunburn, and I mixed it with clear gel, and I crunched the aloe, got the juice out and the nutrients from the aloe, and I mixed it with clear gel, and I tried it on my face. It's a good remedy to actually use for sunburn. And then I used rosemary as an infusion. Rosemary is known for stimulating headaches, and it's also known for actually cooking. So what I did with rosemary, I put it in the pot, small amounts of water, I let it boil, and you actually drink it if you have a headache. And then I also used fennel. Fennel is there for stomach cramps or menstrual pains. It's there to help you. I'm going to show all the plants on the slides. Everything is going to be shown so you can also see it. It's also used for, fennel is used for cramps. What I actually did with the fennel, I used a solar cook box, and I dried the leaves out, and then I emptied a tea bag, and I put the tea bag, and I actually made fennel tea. The project was a great investigation, and what I liked about the project is that the new herbs, it's not that I'm discovering new herbs that will help people, but it's existing herbs, but I'm bringing them to the awareness of the community and people out there who are unable to actually afford medication in the pharmacy, but they can actually have their own they can grow their own pharmacy, or they can have their own herbs that they can use to stimulate these small illnesses. Thank you.